This is how you program the diamond key for older BMWs. As you can see, pressing the key, it's not locking or unlocking my doors. So my key is not working. I'm gonna show you how you program the key. You gotta stick it in the ignition, turn it one click to position 1, take it out, then hold this button down while you press the BMW button. You have to press the BMW button 3 times. You have to do this pretty fast, so you gotta do it pretty quick. So check it out. Let me try it, see how it goes. So that's how you program your key. Take your key, stick it in ignition, turn it one click, bang, then turn it back, bang. Pull it out, hold down this button, press this button 3 times. Make sure your doors is unlocked, and you have to do it fast. So that's the way you program your key. Make sure your doors is unlocked. That's how you program the diamond key. Make sure your doors is unlocked. Stick the key in ignition. Turn it one click. Turn it back. Yank it out. Hold down this button. Press this button 3 times. Fast. You have to do it fast. I've been trying it, and I see that you got to do it pretty fast. It's a certain amount of seconds you got to do it by, and then it'll work. So you program a BMW key, diamond key for the older BMWs. You're welcome.